Your trash isn't waste. It's a bespoke masterpiece waiting for a soul. Today, we're moving beyond crafty and into high artistry. I'm revealing the 2026 Senior Designer Secrets to turning everyday recycled materials into breathtaking, Pinterest gold decor. Let's perform some material alchemy. Hello, my beautiful community of mindful creators. I'm Beki, and welcome back to Beki Décor. We live in a world that's finally waking up to the power of a light footprint, but here, we make that footprint look seriously expensive. Today, we are decoding ingenious upcycled crafts that don't just save the planet, they elevate your sanctuary. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, these 7 architectural DIYs will give your space that professional designer edge for $0. Let's create something alive. The Upcycling Revelation Secret 1. The Material Audit, Tactile Integrity. We begin with the material audit. Look at your waste stream through the lens of tactile integrity. A cardboard box isn't trash. It's a source of linear texture. A glass jar isn't a container. It's a luminous vessel. The first designer secret is choosing materials based on their form, not their former function. The Upcycling Revelation Secret 2. The Geometric Anchor, Architectural Weight. In segment 2, we create architectural weight. We're using recycled cardboard to build geometric wall reliefs. By layering shapes and applying a matte, stone texture finish, we create a piece that looks like heavy plaster. This is material alchemy, making the light feel substantial. The Upcycling Revelation Secret 3. Luminous glassware, atmospheric curation. Now, we tackle atmospheric curation. We're taking mismatched glass bottles and using an etching technique to create a frosted, organic minimalist look. When these catch the light, they create a soft, radiant glow that feels museum grade. This is how you turn junk into a show-stopping highlight. The Upcycling Revelation Secret 4. The Pinterest Pivot, Visual Narrative. To make your craft's Pinterest gold, you need a visual narrative. Use a limited color palette. Think bone, charcoal, and terracotta. This creates compositional continuity, ensuring that even though your materials are upcycled, your aesthetic remains seriously expensive and cohesive. The Upcycling Revelation Secret 5. Functional artistry, bespoke utility. We don't just create beauty, we create bespoke utility. Turning old textiles into structured storage baskets or metal scraps into sculptural desk. Organizers ensures your soulful sanctuary stays organized. It's about marrying your environmental ethos with your daily aspirations. The Upcycling Revelation Secret 6. The Legacy Finish, the Senior Expert Secret. The final designer secret is the legacy finish. Never leave an upcycled project looking raw. Whether it's a high-end matte sealant or a hand-painted visual echo, the finish is what signals that this is a Beki Décor piece. It's the difference between a craft and a breathtaking masterpiece. Before you go and start your next project, I want to say a huge thank you to this mindful community. Every save, every share, and every project you complete is a step toward a more sustainable future. If you're excited to try the geometric anchor, let me know in the comments. Hit that subscribe button, and let's keep weaving our stories together. Happy decorating! Remember, your home is a testament to the infinite potential of the human spirit. When we breathe new life into the discarded, we are crafting a legacy of mindful stewardship. Trust your material alchemy. Lean into your creativity. and create a breathtaking sanctuary that feels both thoughtful and alive. I'm Beki, and I'll see you in the next revelation. Stay inspired.